Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, December 21st. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. So today we're gonna be looking at the chart of the FTSE. Okay, and here we got with 1 in the intermediate degree ended at 7600. Now we are pulling back. So this pullback here is part of wave 2 in the intermediate degree, and within the wave 2 we are now still ending. You can see right here we are ending only this degree right here. So that means we should be looking for one of A, right? Because again we should be in the wave 2, which is corrective, and wave 2 in blue, okay, wave 2 in blue should be in the form of a 3 waves, because that's definition of wave 2. It has to be corrective. So in this case it is an ABC and within the A, because ABC is an A is a five waves, right? So then this is your wave 1 of A. So we are ending 1 of A here, and we should be getting a rally to correct this decline now, and the rally should fail and continues to go down again and continue to go lower, and we are still within the wave A, right? Within this wave 2 we are still only within the wave A. Now the alternate suggests that this could be your entire A instead of 1 of A. Now it doesn't really change the conclusion that as long as the rally stays below here, we should at minimum get another leg down, right? Because the decline here is looking like a 5 waves, so it seems like unless we are part of an expanded flat from here, which I think is unlikely, that suggests we should see minimum one more leg lower minimum, and then possibly can even a few more lows. I mean, it can get extended again if this is only 1 of A here. All right, now zooming out for our time frame. Okay, so we can see if I put down this one here, this wave 1 in here, so we can see that this rally is impulsive, right? You can see it in the 1 hour a little bit here. There's 3, 4, 5 over there. So this one is the rally that ended with 1 from October 13, right? And then from there we are now within the wave 2, which should be in corrective structure. Now like we saw earlier, this is ending only one of A. If that's the case, then we can continue to go downside like this: 2 of A, 3 of A, 5 of A, and that will only ending A in red, like so. And then you got a B, and then you got a C. So almost like a full retest of this low, if that's the case. Or another possibility is that this is ending already in the A, and you just need a B, and then just one more like lower, a C, and then you finish your correction. So regardless, whichever the case may be, whether this is ending A or whether this is ending 1 of A, most likely because of the 5 waves impulse from the peak there, we should at minimum get another leg down. Okay, so that's basically what we are looking at. More downside in the FTSE as long as we stay below this 7600, which is the December 1st high. Alright, so for further updates, you can always check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. We also do have a Christmas promotion right now. You can get 2-month subscription for the price of only 1. So I'll see you guys again next time, and have a nice day everyone.